So guys, earlier this year we heard rumors that a Mi Band 4 successor would launch this June. And now Xiaomi's Huami subsidiary confirmed in a post on Chinese social network Weibo that the Mi Band 5 will definitely see a 2020 release. Now that is good news because there were rumors that Xiaomi is cutting ties with the subsidiary. But a recent post on Huami's Weibo account dismissed rumors that Xiaomi was going to pull out of the working relationship. In fact, the working relationship between the two companies is as strong as ever. Huami has been making sure the business world knows that it is still in a strong position thanks to its close ties with Xiaomi. In a recent Huami earning call, the company's CEO made it clear that Huami was still busy with the development of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5, and the executive expects that the next wearable in the popular series to be just as successful as its predecessor. Now we know that Mi Band 5 is coming soon, so let's talk about its specs. Based on previous information, the first of these is that the screen should see an improvement with it growing to 1.2-inch AMOLED display that's bigger than the 0.95-inch display of its predecessor. It is also said to have been designed to be more visible in sunlight. The Mi Band 5 will apparently have NFC worldwide. However, this feature was only supported in China and not available to users globally. The company also recently confirmed the Amazfit line would see a new addition in the coming months called the Amazfit Ares. Rumors of the Ares first began surfacing online after Chinese customers noticed the wearable on the official Huami app. The company responded to the leaks, clarifying the listing was unintentional and that customers can expect the device to land later this year. Huami also confirmed the Amazfit Ares would tout 70 different sports modes and feature a rugged-looking urban outdoor appearance. It did not reveal anything else about the device. And that's all for today guys. For such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.